What's up, everyone? Ace Motorsports here with another video. So I just picked up this Yamaha Blaster. So I just picked up this Yamaha Blaster. It is super clean, as you can tell, just super dirty. It was sitting outside, belonged to an old man. And you know what? From now on, I'm gonna be straight up real with you guys. I picked up this bike for $750. We're still with the COVID prices here in California, and this bike came with a title, current registration. So for 750 bucks, that is a really good deal. Bike does not run. As you can tell, it still has the injector, oil injector. Seat is in mint condition for sitting outside. It has no rips or nothing. I think it's OEM, more than likely is. Still has Tours, all that junk. Still has stock pipe. This bike is, I believe, sitting still on the stock tires as well, and they still have a lot of tread, so that means this bike has not been ridden a lot. I believe it's a 2001. Let's take a look. It is a 2001. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process on what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the bike right now. I'm gonna clean the carburetor. Has great compression. It's gonna start. I'm pretty sure it's gonna start. Kind of gave me like some pops, like some combustion pops. That's all I needed to hear for me to buy this bike. I've sold bikes that didn't run for 800 with pink slip, title, and everything. So you know, it was a no-brainer at 750. Had originally posted for 650, but he raised the price. People were throwing at him 1200, 14. But I told him I have the cash in hand and I'll be there. So that's how I bought mostly all these quads. I had two dirt bikes that I bought for a G, and I sold them both for maybe like 3-4 G's. And I bought this Banshee. So this Banshee came out for free out of that hard work. This Banshee I got it for cheap. If you want to know all the prices for these quads, what I got, I'm talking about dirt cheap for that Polaris. This Honda, if I was to tell you guys what I paid for it, you guys would not believe it. And this Banshee too. In the midst of COVID, I got this Banshee, let's just say, for less than $2,500. Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you guys want videos. You know, if you can make a side hustle selling quads. I love quads. So that's what I do. I flip quads, street bikes, cars, that Land Rover over there. This is my trailer. I flip just about anything I get my hands on in regards to motor. And I'll tell you, this go-kart. This go-kart I paid like $275 for it, running with pink everything. So let me know if you guys want some more of that content. I could go ahead and list all of my bikes that I bought in these past 6 months. Due to COVID, I lost my job, so I've been, you know, trying to find a way how to make some extra income, residual income, and I've bought over 30 motorcycles. So just go ahead and put that in perspective. I double, triple, quadruple my investment every time. So go ahead and drop a comment down below, like this video if you want more information. But let's go ahead and continue with this project. I'm going to first wash it. I'm going to take the carburetor apart, blow some air into the main jet and the pilot jet, make sure it's all clear. I already drained the gas, and I'm going to put fresh fuel in it. I'm going to put half mix and half regular gas. It does have an injector on it, so I don't really trust them, but I'm going to put mixed gas with oil, because I don't trust those injectors. I know you're supposed to top it off, but these bikes run great without it. And let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so I brought the bike out here to the grass. I'm going to go ahead and wash it, but let's go ahead and get a before and after. Let's take a look. Take a look at the bottom of the frame. so clean. Look at this, just minor scraping. Such a clean bike. Such a clean bike. Let's go ahead and continue. Check out this blaster, guys. It still needs some drying, but let's go ahead and look at how clean this bike is. It's almost not even used, honestly. I think I might keep this bike. Sell the Honda and keep this bike. We'll see right now how it runs. Look at these original decals. Still got the warning labels on it. Wow. I'm falling more and more in love with this bike. Especially the price that I picked it up for, $750. Look at that. It's so clean after it's washed. I'm still gonna dry it up, do what I do, and then stay tuned. We're gonna clean the carburetor and see if she fires. But as of now, the plastics, the frame will give me back my money. Alright everybody, to go ahead and see how your machine was taken care of, from the previous owner, a good way to check is the air box. So let's go ahead and check that first before we start ripping apart the carburetor. Just take off these 4 bolts. This is the lid for your air box. No way. Let's go ahead and show you how clean that air filter is. I believe it's a uni air filter. But just take a look at how clean that is. This bike was definitely babied, and I'm really looking forward to see how it sounds. Oh man, look at that! Look at that air filter. That's how you know this bike was taken care of. I kind of knew, looking at the plastics and the engine. Like I said, this bike did belong to an old man, and it was, he said, just riding around the house lightly. In the past couple of years, it's been used less than 3 times. He said at least in the past 5 years, 3 times. So I'm really looking forward to hearing this engine, seeing how it sounds. Oh, let's go ahead and stay tuned, guys. What's up, everyone? So I went ahead and cleaned the carburetor. I put it back together. I didn't get it on video. I actually got a phone call, so my apologies. But it's just the same. Put the 4 bolts back on. Don't forget about the splash guard, and carburetor's going back in. Alright, go ahead and get started. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see the fuel line? Yeah, you can see the fuel line. So I'm gonna run on reserve, and the fuel looks nice and clean, nice and clear. So I'm gonna shut it off. Now I'm gonna connect that to the carburetor. Put that back in reserve. Let it fill up. Make sure the floats aren't stuck. No leaks. We're good. Select it real quick. We're getting fuel. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to check. Now that I know that we're actually getting fuel to the carburetor, let's give it some kicks and see if she starts. Okay, so I just went ahead and cleaned the carburetor. Air filter looks clean. Dumped the fuel out, the old fuel. Put new fuel in. Let's go ahead and see if she starts. Go ahead and turn the choke on. Make sure it's running. We'll turn it off. Pump it a couple times. The pressure feels great. One more time. Turning it on now. See if she starts. Okay. Not bad. there you have it, guys. Sounds pretty good to me. So here she is running my 2001 Yamaha Blaster, my Pete. Sounds good and healthy. There you have it, guys. My investment paid off. I might keep this bike. Let me know if you guys want to see any more content in regards to how I buy these bikes and let them go. Go ahead and drop a like. Go ahead and subscribe for more content. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.